Flying probe calibration is complete. Initiating thermal cycle now.
Maintaining precision specs. Regulatory compliance confirmed on this batch.
Perfect pots. Look at the consistency on this batch. The new ventilation system is stabilizing the application process perfectly.
Look at the variance here. We're exceeding the upper control limit.
I see it. Let's recalibrate the printer settings now.
Look at the consistency metrics on the overhead display.
We've reduced the variance significantly in this last run.
R3 stabilization is within tolerance after the adjustment. Good.
The resonance shift confirms the tuning was successful.
This primary manufacturing sequence utilizes advanced laser marking for signal integrity validation, ensuring
Our sophisticated automated surface mount technology provides comprehensive real-time monitoring and predictive analytics, driving innovation in electronics.
Look at this yield data. The new integration phase is significantly improving SPC metrics.
Predictive analytics confirms consistent quality across the line.
The automated data collection flagged a potential ESD anomaly in Sector 3.
Rerunning the predictive analytics confirmed.
We're presenting sophisticated yield optimization methodologies with comprehensive real-time monitoring and predictive analytics features. Real-time monitoring shows green across all platforms.
Production efficiency is stabilized.
Sustainable targets achieved. The thermal data is stabilizing exactly as the predictive model suggested. Excellent. This confirms optimal efficiency for the new layout. Sophisticated signal integrity validation testing with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities, automated data collection, and predictive analytics features.
Reviewing the final endurance metrics. Everything is within spec.
The documentation is complete and verified. Product release authorized.
As you can see from the SPC analysis, we've successfully passed the EMI protocols.
Meticulously documented, we are ready for commercial distribution.
Reviewing the protocol confirms full compliance.
The documentation is complete. We can authorize the release.
Accelerated life testing is complete. All parameters passed validation protocols.
Meticulously documented. Authorization granted for commercial distribution. The rigorous thermal imaging analysis is complete, utilizing the traceability platform. All results are documented. Acoustic levels are stable and within spec. Confirmed. Documentation complete for release authorization.
Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous interoperability compatibility testing, utilizing reliability qualification processes.
The voltage regulation is stable within the specified parameters.
Confirmed. The thermal imaging data also looked early. Analyze the data stream for anomalies in the fabrication process.
The system predicts a failure initiating countermeasures. The advanced analytics platform confirms our calibration protocols are maximizing yield efficiency.
Exactly. Quality metrics are holding steady at 99.8%. Good. The operator certification program is clearly improving output reliability. By implementing these Kaizen initiatives and leveraging statistical process control, we can significantly boost our operational efficiency. Throughput capacity utilization is peaking here.
The advanced analytics platform confirms that the yield optimization is working.
Look at the yield metrics on the advanced analytics platform.
The integrated system caught the anomaly immediately. Quality improvement is consistent.
As you can see on the integrated management system, our supplier performance evaluation metrics are tracking upwards. Operational efficiency is maximized by integrating this feedback loop.
And the contamination control metrics.
They confirm adherence to superior manufacturing standards.
This cross-functional analysis highlights the impact of the new thermal solutions.
Precisely, look at the improvement in the warranty return rate monitoring data. Failure analysis points to signal integrity loss in sector gamma.
This integrated management system supports our obsolescence planning efforts globally.
Exactly. It's dry engines.
99.98% reliability on the new line is impressive.
The advanced analytics platform integrated
4 months. Predictive maintenance optimization is complete, projecting a significant rise in efficiency.
If we adjust the tolerances here, the machine learning algorithm predicts a 20% efficiency gain.
That aligns with the simulation data. Actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation collaborative robot assembly integration, strategically combining fundamental research with practical manufacturing applications. The 5G integration protocols are stabilizing across the network.
And the manufacturing yield efficiency is exceeding projections.
The simulation confirms a 40% efficiency gain.
That validates the new chip architecture for the edge deployment.
Look at that visualization. The stability levels are holding steady.
This confirms the breakthrough.
Look at this visualization. The conductivity levels are exceeding projections.
U5 coin spends.
The yield rate on the new material composition is holding steady at 98%.
Fantastic.
Check the efficiency metrics on the holographic display.
The predictive maintenance indicators are holding steady at 98%.
Look at the efficiency metrics, they've stabilized at 98%.
The simulation confirms the new protocol is effective.
Look at the market analytics platform. The ESG scores are trending up.
Our transparency programs are clearly impacting investor confidence positively.
we systematically manage global supply chain optimization utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms, ensuring
The demand forecast confirms the uptrend. We must optimize our manufacturing strategy now.
An integrated production ecosystem strategically positioned within the global electronics supply chain, effectively serving billions of consumers worldwide.
revealing a complete integrated production ecosystem strategically positioned within the global supply chain, serving billions worldwide.
Our camera lens factory demonstrates true operational excellence. Automated systems work in synchronized continuous production. Our integrated production ecosystem serves as the strategic nexus of the global supply chain, reaching billions of consumers worldwide. Using specialized tools, our team solders critical components and conducts rigorous multimeter testing before the units move to casing. This is how optical lenses are manufactured. Sophisticated pick-and-place systems enable exceptional precision and reliability.
If we analyze the SPC data here, we can optimize the manufacturing parameters.
Agreed. That should maximize yield efficiency and reduce costs.
Right. We must ensure the ESD protection aligns with the JESD 22A114 requirements.
And verify pathogens. By optimizing these manufacturing parameters, we ensure the component requirements meet our quality assurance standards.
Exactly. As you can see, the simulation highlights the critical thermal paths.
But what about the performance targets on the tablet?
That's urgent. The eye diagram confirms the signal integrity issue at 5 gigahertz. We need to adjust the termination parameters immediately.
This data confirms global compliance across all regions. The traceability platform documentation is critical for the next phase.
Nearly has.
We need to adjust the parameters for the contamination control unit.
The current specifications are failing the performance targets.
Check the wafer map alignment against Spec 4B.
Adjusting the theta axis now, stabilizing.
Verify the specifications on the tablet match the 3D model tolerances. We need confirmation before commencing production.
Confirmed. The automated placement sequence is optimized and ready.
Utilizing vision inspection cameras and advanced thermal profiling, we ensure exceptional precision and quality consistency in our manufacturing sequence.
The boundary scan results on Sector 4 are nominal.
Good.
Maintain the current test parameters for the next batch.